Hi guys, my name is Armani Keller and I'm here to go over why 99% of you traders lose money. So every day I get at least 20-30 messages on Instagram saying, Armani, I'm losing money. I paid this forex girl $1,500 and I still can't make consistent profit. He taught me how to use trend lines and using W's. That's what it sounds to me. Ha! Gay! So, I'm not here to make fun of you guys that need genuine help. I'm just showing you guys how annoying it is for me to have to hear that every single day. So that's why I'm making the video now, so I don't have to hear that anymore.
Okay.
So, think about this. 99% of traders lose money, correct? So, let's put ourselves in another realm. Let's say it's 100 people here, right? And 99% of the people jump off of here and die, right? And I stay here. What's the difference between me staying here and the 99% of people that just died? I did the opposite of them, correct? Okay, I'm getting to the point here. So, forex is not controlled by normal people. This is not the stock market. Normal people that, oh, I'm gonna buy a share of Google today. It doesn't work like that. So, if you're doing overbought, oversold, you're stupid.
So that was a f***ing lie.
If you're doing trend lines, you're stupid. Because everybody does the same thing, correct? Right. Okay, listen to me. Hear me out. So, if 99% of people do the same thing, and 99% of people lose, why are you doing the same thing as 99% of people?
That's suspicious.
Right? And now we'll get into why the big banks play a role. Because you can trade 100 standard lots and you cannot move the forex market a pip. You know why? Because we're in the spot forex market. That means we look at the market. We never move the market, ever. We look. We just look, right? So, think about this. You're going against a bank that knows where your stop losses are at, knows where all the orders are at. They know everything. So they know if you see this M, they know all these idiots are going to sell at the top or somewhere at the M, right? So if I'm a bank and I make money when you lose, what am I going to do? I have three options as a bank. I can give you what you want, go down, y'all make money, I lose money. As a bank, does that sound entertaining? No. Or I can give you a little bit what you want, right? Get them orders popping. You know it's pendings right here because the people waiting to go down. Get all these pendings, collect all these idiots, and then go the other way and blow all your accounts.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
If I'm a bank and I want to make money, I'm going to do the second option. And the third option is just take off and just don't even get the orders from down here, just take off. So 2 and 3 sounds way more appealing to me than give you guys all money. But you have to understand, if the bank did that every time, it would be predictable, correct? So sometimes, yes, you will get that M that goes down. If not, you'll get that little bit of leeway, then it's go back with the trend and kill all of you guys' accounts, right? Same thing with overbought, oversold. The bank is your enemy. Why do you guys not study your enemy?
That's weird.
You guys are so concerned about trend lines and all this other shit that everybody uses, but you don't focus on the enemy, which is the banks. The people who actually move the market. Because we don't move the market. We don't. Does that make sense to you? So, have you ever thought about why 99% of people lose money before you just got into the trading? Hopefully you're gonna make millions of dollars, have a mansion, live this great life, travel the world. Yes, that is extremely possible. But using trend lines and M's and W's and hopefully, oh, the market is overbought and oversold. Oh my goodness, we're gonna make a whole bunch of money, and then the market just keeps going and keeps going. Oh, it's oversold now. It's oversold. How can you oversell something that doesn't really exist? It's not like a company, right? Because it's not controlled by real people. The banks can move the market as much as they want, but to a certain extent. Because after a while, if the banks crash the market for a while, the government steps in. But other than that, they can do whatever the they want. So why would they stop it at your support and resistance line? Why would they stop it at when your shit is overbought, oversold? Why?
I don't know. You tell me.
So think about that, and that's why 99% of traders lose. Because you guys all do the same stupid shit.
Stop it. Get some help.